Let's use Visual Paradigm's AI Chatbot to generate a SysML Block Definition Diagram. We will start by creating a diagram for a smart TV system. Looks great so far. Now, let's ask the AI to add a video streaming module to the diagram. Looks perfect, the video streaming block has been added. Next, we want to include a mute function in the audio system. Let's prompt the AI to add that for us. Done. The audio system block now includes both mute and unmute operations. We can also ask the AI to provide a detailed explanation of the diagram for better understanding. Once you're satisfied, you can import the AI-generated diagram directly into your Visual Paradigm project for further editing. Just click the Import to Visual Paradigm button to begin. The diagram is now imported, ready for customization and saving within your project. We hope this walkthrough was helpful. Thanks for watching.